Joint pain, apart from being annoying, also immobilizes you since it affects your mobility and ability to perform the simple tasks you need to get you through the day. Joints are complex structures, and thanks to them we are able to move. But due to how much they are used, the problems are more common than we could ever imagine. There are several causes for joint pain, but we can break them down into 3 groups. Rheumatic. These causes include the inflammatory diseases that attack our joints. Degenerative. These are the most common causes, the ones that have to do with age, wear, and tear. As time passes, we perform thousands of movements with our joints, and it's normal for our cartilage to wear down. This is one of the characteristics of arthrosis. Traumatic. These causes are related to accidents, either caused by daily life or through sports. If you have joint pain in your shoulders, knees, or hips, the first and most important step is finding out what is causing the pain. A correct diagnosis will help you figure out the best way to treat your pain. In the meantime, if you're suffering from joint pain, there are a few treatments that can help relieve the pain. The recipe we're about to teach you uses some herbs that are great at treating rheumatic, muscular, and joint pain. Here's what to do. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried spearmint, 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon of dried sage, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 liter of water. Instructions: boil the water in a pot and then add the herbs. Once that is done, boil them all for 5 minutes. Turn off the stove and let the mixture sit for 15 minutes. Add some honey to sweeten the flavor if you want. Store the drink in the refrigerator to keep it for longer. You should drink 2 cups a day, the first always on an empty stomach and the second right before bed. Repeat this procedure for 3 weeks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.